Hi friends, good morning. So this is again Dr. Sheetal Agarwal from Apollo Spectra Hospital. I have come to you with a very interesting topic regarding menstrual hygiene. We are going to discuss everything regarding menstrual hygiene. What is menstrual hygiene? What are the benefits of menstrual hygiene? What are the tips we have to take? What are the myths we have to burst about menses? What diet you should take? So let's start about the menstrual hygiene. कहते किसको है menstrual hygiene? Menstrual hygiene means when you are able to access all the clean products for use during your menses to collect or absorb your menstrual discharge, menstrual blood from your body. So why it is very important? क्यों हमें menstrual hygiene की ज़रूरत होती है? It is so important because if you don't use clean and sterile napkins or clean products to collect your menstrual product, it can create havoc with your body. You can have a urinary tract infection, you can have infections of the reproductive tract, आपको rashes हो जाते हैं in your genital areas. Or other thing which we have seen is that if you do not maintain proper menstrual hygiene, आपको cervical cancer का chance होता है. Cervical cancer is a cancer of the mouth of the uterus, which is caused by human papilloma virus, which thrives in this wet, damp conditions. So hence, it is very important to maintain normal menstrual hygiene. It is particularly important in a young girl who has just entered her puberty, who has just started her menses. For her to have this concept of menstrual hygiene is very important because after all it is all about woman empowerment. अगर एक लड़की को समझ आ जाती है कि she has to have a good menstrual hygiene, आगे जाके she will become a healthy female. She will educate her siblings, her friends, her children later on in life the importance of menstrual hygiene. After all, a healthy mother, a healthy female is a strength of the society, strength of her home. Hence, it is very important that you have to maintain your menstrual hygiene. So, what all you should do, particularly the young girls जिनको मैं समझाना चाहती हूँ जो अभी adolescent period में आई हैं, बेटा change your sanitary napkins every 4 to 6 hours. Irrespective of the fact कि आपका sanitary napkin soiled है, वो गंदा हुआ है या नहीं गंदा हुआ है या उसमें सिर्फ एक spot लगा है. See to it after 4 to 6 hours you change your sanitary napkin क्योंकि hot, humid weather conditions जो हमारे vaginal area में होती हैं उससे bacteria grow करते हैं, organisms grow करते हैं and they can cause infection to your urinary tract, to your reproductive tract. So it is very important to change your sanitary napkin every 4 to 6 hours. अब जब आप sanitary napkin अपने हाथों से change करोगे तो जाहिर सी बात है आप अपने हाथों को भी wash करोगे. So please wash your hands with soap and water after changing your sanitary napkin. Very important. Otherwise वही dirty हाथ आपके अपने body के दूसरे parts पे touch करोगे. So you can traverse the infection. Infection can travel then to other parts of the body. So you clean your hands. You change your sanitary napkin. Wash yourself. ऐसा नहीं है कि आज आपको पीरियड्स हो गए तो यू विल स्किप योर बाथ, आप नहाओगे नहीं. प्लीज इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू रेगुलरली बाथ योर सेल्फ विथ गुड सोप एंड वाटर इफ पॉसिबल ट्वाइस अ डे. क्लीनिंग योर जेनिटल एरिया इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. डोंट यूज डिटोल. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्योंकि पेशेंट्स आके मुझे कहते हैं कि हम डिटोल से साफ कर लें. नो, डोंट यूज डिटोल. सिंपल ल्यूकवार्म वाटर. Or you can use those various vaginal products, vaginal cleaning products which are available in the market. You can use that. But please clean your vagina, clean your private, clean your genital parts whenever you are having your menses. Last but not the least, कई बारी flow बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. People use 2 types of methods for their increased flow. कभी टैम्पून यूज़ करते हैं साथ में सैनिटरी नैपकिन, कभी 2 सैनिटरी नैपकिन. माई एडवाइस इज डोंट डू दैट. क्योंकि अगर आप 2 सैनिटरी नैपकिन टू प्रिवेंट स्टेनिंग ऑफ योर क्लोथ्स, आपने 2 सैनिटरी नैपकिन यूज़ किए या आपने टैम्पून विद सैनिटरी नैपकिन यूज़ किया, उससे क्या होगा, वी डोंट कम टू नो कि आपका सैनिटरी नैपकिन सॉइल हुआ है या नहीं हुआ, या आपका टैम्पून सॉइल हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, एंड यू टेंड टू कीप इट फॉर अ लॉन्गर टाइम, मोर देन 6 hours. उससे क्या होता है, अगेन इन्फेक्शन के चांस होते हैं. सो जनरल एडवाइस दैट वी गिव टू आवर patients is use only single method of protection during your menses. You either use tampon or you either use single sanitary napkins, but use only one type of method. So this is the basically कि हमें क्या precaution लेनी है. Let me burst some myths also about menses. पुराने ज़माने में स्पेशली इन आवर रूरल इंडिया, रूरल कंट्री, menses is still a taboo. Mothers are hesitant to discuss it with their daughters, और fathers तो पढ़ते ही नहीं हैं इसमें. Though I am seeing some change, some reversal of trend these days. मैं देख रही हूँ कि fathers भी आ रहे हैं अपनी daughters को लेके, and the daughters are comfortable talking about menses in front of their fathers, but that I can see in urban setting. Rural area it is still a taboo. इतना टैबू है रूरल एरिया में कि 23 million young girls drop out of school once their period start. When they attain the stage of menarche, they drop out of the school because there is non-availability of the clean products for your menses, non-availability of the toilets so that they can go and change their sanitary napkins, and non-availability of the water to clean themselves and clean their hands. Hence 23 million of girls in our country every year they skip school or they drop out of school once their periods start. So it's a very alarming situation, and we have to educate them कि menses doesn't mean कि आपकी पढ़ाई खत्म होगी या आपकी life का एक full stop हो गया. This is not the way. Beta, your life has just started once your periods have started. Take it, it is a normal physiological phenomenon. Menses is a normal biological thing. Your life doesn't stop. Rather, आपको your height, you gain height. The females gain height even after they start their menses. तो myth होता है कि मेरी height अब रुक जाएगी और मेरी ऐसा नहीं कुछ होता है. You just have to take proper care of your diet. You just have to have proper nutrition. अच्छे से आयरन खाओ so that you don't become iron deficient anemia. Have protein rich diet so that your height increases. So ये myth अपने दिमाग से निकाल दो कि मेरे periods शुरू हो गए, I will not be able to attain any more height and मेरी life full stop हो गया. ऐसा नहीं हुआ है. Second myth जो बहुत common होता है कि especially in our rural setup, solitary confinement में लड़की को रख देते हैं. They tell the girl to go to her room and she may not be able to even sit on the bed, and she will not be able to enter the kitchen. So these are all myths. Why? अरे it is a normal thing. उसके periods शुरू हैं. She should be told the importance of hygiene. She should be told that she has to take bath daily. She has to change her sanitary napkin. वो सब करने के बदले we tell her you go sit in a room. We give her an old cloth. She is given a very old cloth which she uses and she washes it. Even not given a proper detergent to wash that old cloth, and it is dried in a place where there is no sun so that other people cannot see. Why we have to do it? It is a normal. We should rather celebrate. I remember in some countries they celebrate once the lady starts getting her menses. It is an occasion of celebration that yes, she has started her menstrual cycle. Then why not in our country? Why it is still a taboo? Menses आ रहे हैं, it is a taboo. The same lady once she becomes pregnant, it becomes a cause of celebration. Why don't you remember कि अगर periods ही नहीं होंगे तो वो pregnant कैसे होगी? So we have to break this taboo. We have to break this myth. The girl should be allowed to enter the kitchen. अपने आप को clean करे, हाथ साफ करे, wearing clean clothes, clean sanitary napkin. She should enter the kitchen. She should help in the kitchen. If she is the only woman in the house, वो भूखी थोड़ी ना रहेगी और अपने family members को भूखा थोड़ी ना रखेगी. Definitely she should work in the kitchen. She should handle the water, that play container जिसमें पानी होता है. Let her handle that. पूजा के लिए हमारे ऋग वेदास बोलते हैं कि पूजा during menses there is nowhere it is written in our Vedas कि आप पूजा नहीं कर सकते हो, आप मंदिर नहीं जा सकते हो. Please, you can go. Our deities, most of our deities are female human goddesses. I don't think it's उनको कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी if a menstruating woman goes and worships them. डाइट के बारे में मैंने आपको बता दिया कि डाइट अच्छी लेनी है. आप किचन का काम कर सकते हैं. This all I have told you. So these are the myths I have burst about menses. Tips I have told you that you have to take your bath daily, clean your sanitary napkin 4 to 6 hours, keep yourself clean, keep yourself healthy. Don't think that आपके periods शुरू हो गए हैं, so something bad has happened to your body. It is not the curse of God. It is a normal thing. Do your normal social activities. आप अपना you can enjoy your sports also. The only thing which I tell my female patients is that okay, swimming के लिए मैं आपको मना करूँगी because it will become very inconvenient if you swim. That only I tell them don't to do. But of course you can do your other daily sports activities. So ladies, please enjoy this menstrual in your lifetime. Maintain this menstrual hygiene, and I'm sure you will go a long way. This small video can help you in educating other ladies also about the importance of menstrual hygiene. In fact, I still remember May 28th is celebrated as Menstrual Hygiene Day by WHO. So girls, please take forward this message. Maintain your hygiene, maintain your health by this, following these simple tips of menstrual hygiene. Bye, take care. Hope we'll meet next Saturday again with some very interesting topic. Bye bye.